Alright, so this is how you fix a broken plate.
Yeah, right. Using milk and tape?
Yeah, they're really milking this one.
Don't judge too quickly. Gotta be polite.
Nice. So leave it for 2 days and then he pulls out
His plate.
his plate.
And it magically works.
Yeah, right.
Alright, let's try it. Alright, let's break a plate. You ready?
Yeah, you sure we have time to do this video?
I mean, I got nothing on my plate.
Clearly.
How's it not broken yet? Come on. If I do it any harder, it's gonna shatter in my eye.
Bro!
This is indestructible, this thing. How to break a plate. That's the video I need to watch.
I know. Yeah. There.
That'll work.
That's pretty good.
Alright, instead of 4 pieces, it's 72. Whatever.
Yeah, we can fix that. Nothing a little bit of milk can't fix.
Right. Alright, now it's together. Are you filming?
Yep.
Alright, you taping me tape this?
Yes.
Let's go right down the center.
Once you put some milk on it, it's gonna be good.
Alright, last one. This is actually looking pretty good. This is already fixed. Why do we even need to do this part? Look, it's good.
Alright, now grab your bag of milk.
I know, what the hell? What is that?
Why is that?
Why
the
is
question.
that? Well, we could. Oh, jeez. No. Why? I knew it. Whatever, it's working. We need one more bag of milk, probably. No, that's fine. Why does that reek? Why does that reek? Ooh. Put your lid on. Freezer or fridge? What was it? Freezer, I'd imagine.
Yeah, but then the milk goes frozen. How you gonna pull it out of that?
Then it's fridge. Leave for 2 days. Oh, it's just nothing. Just leave it here. Right? All right, we'll see you in 48 hours. Gonna leave it right there. I can't wait for somebody to ask me what that is. All right, so it's been 48 hours. Let's check our for sure not fixed plate.
I know.
Right? There's a lot of ways to fix a broken plate. This is the Milky Way.
Nice.
Okay, ready for this?
Yeah.
If this works, it's gonna blow my mind. Okay. Okay, hold on. Right. All we wanted was one to work, remember? Hold on. Oh, 48 hours sitting there like an idiot, and this is what you're doing? Hold on, are they all? Yeah, these are all broken still. These are all broken. These are all broken, and these are all broken. How to make a mop out of tape.
Oh, you can mop up the milk now.
Right.